guys, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and look what came in the mail today. We have an awesome postal carrier who takes really good care of us. His name is Ronald, and Ronald was here earlier today, about 11 o'clock. He started his route early. He dropped off a box. Well, 2 hours later, I hear the doorbell ringing. It's Ronald again, who comes back with this box here that is so heavy, there's no way I'm gonna get it off this table. So let's open up all these packages and see what's inside. This first package here came from Russia. And I'm using a QSP knife that was a gift from Arthur Brim in Germany. Hi, Arthur. And if anybody wants one, we do have these listed on our new kit store. Look at how this is wrapped. Check out this care. All right, we've got another one of these Russian Army rations. These are already on our website. Let's open up the next box. This box here came from Germany, and I have no clue. Well, no, I think I know what's in here, but let's open it up and find out. This is some serious packing. Wow, Art must have gone crazy when he ordered these. Check these out. These are cheeseburgers. How about that? What a nice presentation. You get the can in the box. Nathan at Nathan's MRE reviewed one of these, and I believe we did too. These will be on our website, and I have no idea how many Art ordered. Well, let's see. I have one case here at least, so I know there are 27 right here. So let's get these out of the way. Okay. This box is so heavy. There's no way I'm going to get it off of this table without unpacking it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Check these out. They're back. These are the RPS rations, and we've got a full case of them. We've got 14 here in this case, and I know we've got several more cases on the way, and these will be on our website. Well, guys, that's all the shipments I got in today, and I'll take you on another sneak peek with Behind the Scenes with Nina. See you later.